was responsible for your loss. NCD caused 63% of all the deaths in the world. If current trends continue, NCDs will account for over 7,258 of worldwide deaths in 2020. 6 out of 10 deaths in the Philippines were caused by NCD. NCDs can be beaten through HP, healthy Pinoys, health preservation, and helpful partnerships. Healthy Pinoys, encouraging Filipinos to be healthy by convincing them to increase control of their health and empowering them to make healthy choices. Health preservation,